Hey everyone, good day to you. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Insider. This is part 2 of Hope Road Jamaica before 7. For part 1 of Hope Road Jamaica before 7, you can see the link in the description. Alright, now let's get into it. On our left is the post office, and of course, as you can see, Express Fitness Gym is also over there. On our left is Campion College. Turnberry seem to be townhouses on our right. Mango Walk. Well, last have you been to a Mango Walk? And for all my non-Jamaicans, a Mango Walk is how can I say it now? It's when persons will go and pick mangoes from different mango trees. So currently we're in mango season. So you'd have many persons going around and picking their favorite mangoes. That's what a mango walk is. Hope you're enjoying the views and the sights. Heading back onto Hope Road. So we're leaving Dunhead Avenue, turning onto Hope Road once again. Right now we're turning onto Marley Road. Marley Road. I believe this one was named in honor of Bob Marley. As the museum is not very far from here, as I showed earlier. Alright, let's turn on to East Kings House Circle from Marley Road. Some nice houses are around here for sure. Well kept. The road is a little bumpy though. I have to admit. Alright, and I'm going to turn back onto, well, not back, I'm going to turn onto East Kings House Road. Heading back onto Hope Road, straight ahead. Of course, I did a video of East Kings House Road before 7 a.m. If you'd like to see that video, check the link in the description. Maven Avenue. Right off Hope Road. Shirley Retreat Hotel on our right now. Some older houses are around here. That's an example. Alright, I'm gonna leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this look at Hope Road Jamaica before 7 a.m. turning onto Arden Road. Do take care of yourself and stick around as other videos are coming up. Jamaican Insider here, wishing you a great day. So until next time, take care.